Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually edit the columns on your edit view on your lists on SharePoint. So to do this, you just have to come over to any one of these entries, go ahead and double click, and then come up here to this little drop down. And then once you come over to it, you'll see an option called Edit Columns. And then from here, you can go ahead and you can decide if you want to set up conditional formulas so that only certain users can make changes to like the email field, for example. You can also go ahead and change the order. So if we wanted to move up phone number so that it's above current brand, we can do that. If we wanted to remove current brand, we can go ahead and do that as well. So let's just do that just for kicks and giggles. And once we do that, and we go ahead and close this, you're going to see brand is no longer on here. But if we wanted to re-add it, no biggie. We just come over here, click it again, hit save, and then you can see current brand is back. And now if we close this and reopen it, current brand is still there. You can use the conditional formula to set up the who has the ability to change certain fields, but it is recommended that you use permissions as well, so that you're not just relying on making those changes here from the conditional formatting on the edit view.